Welcome to our video on how to use architecture to tell a story in your home. In this episode, we'll explore how to define your personal narrative and bring it to life through thoughtful design. From incorporating architectural elements that serve as storytelling tools to playing with light, color, and form, we'll guide you through creating spaces that are not only functional but also deeply resonant with emotion. Join us as we delve into the art of integrating personal artifacts and crafting environments that evolve with your story. Whether you're building from the ground up or looking to transform your current space, we have insights to help make your home a true reflection of you. 1. Define your narrative. Before diving into architectural details, it's essential to define what story you want your home to tell. Are you inspired by nature, or perhaps by your travels around the world? Maybe your story is about family heritage or love for modern art. Identifying this narrative will serve as the foundation for all design decisions. It's like writing a book where your home becomes the pages that unfold your story. This narrative doesn't have to be complex. Sometimes a simple theme can be the most profound. The key is to ensure that everything aligns with this core idea, from the overall layout to the smallest decor items. 2. Use architectural elements as storytelling tools. Architecture is more than just walls and a roof, it's a language. Elements like arches, columns, and open spaces can be used to convey emotion and meaning. For instance, a series of arches might evoke a sense of history or timelessness. Spacious open plans can reflect freedom and openness. Think of these elements as the punctuation marks in your home's story, guiding visitors through the narrative you've crafted. They help create a rhythm and flow, much like a well-composed piece of music, allowing certain areas to stand out while others provide a gentle backdrop. 3. Play with light, color, and form. Light, color, and form are the paintbrushes of your architectural story. Natural light can highlight certain areas, creating focal points and enhancing mood. Imagine how a beam of morning sunlight streaming through a window can set a serene tone for a breakfast nook. Colors can evoke emotions and set the tone for each room, whether it's calming blues for a bedroom or energizing yellows for a kitchen. The form, or the shape and structure of spaces, can influence how a room feels. Circular rooms might feel more intimate, while angular spaces can feel dynamic and modern. 4. Integrate personal artifacts and custom details. Incorporating personal artifacts into your home's architecture can add layers to your story. These elements could be anything from family heirlooms integrated into the design to custom-built furniture that reflects your personal tastes. Consider a hand-carved door that tells a story of craftsmanship or a stained glass window that captures a meaningful symbol. These details make your home uniquely yours, serving as conversation starters and memory keepers. They are the personal touches that transform a house into a home, resonating with familiarity and warmth. 5. Create interactive and evolving spaces. The stories aren't static, they evolve, and so should your home. Designing spaces that can change over time allows your home to grow with you. Sliding walls and movable partitions can transform a room's function, adapting to your needs as they change. This flexibility ensures that your home remains a relevant reflection of your life. It's similar to adding new chapters to a book, keeping the narrative fresh and engaging. A room that serves as a playroom today might become a home office tomorrow, reflecting the ever-changing chapters of your life. 6. Let architecture reflect function and feeling. Function and feeling are at the heart of any architectural story. A well-designed home should cater to your practical needs while also evoking the emotions you wish to experience. For instance, a kitchen with an open layout can encourage family interaction and togetherness, while a secluded reading nook might offer solitude and reflection. Architecture should support how you live, enhancing daily activities and creating spaces that feel right for their intended purpose. It's about achieving a balance where every corner of your home serves both a functional and an emotional role. 7. Purpose-driven spaces. Every room in your home should have a clear purpose, much like every chapter in a novel serves the overall story. Whether it's a cozy living room designed for relaxation or a vibrant studio that fuels creativity, each space should be intentional. Purpose-driven design ensures that each area of your home supports the activities that matter most to you. It's akin to setting the stage for different scenes in a play, where each setting enhances the story being told. This clarity of purpose makes your home not only beautiful but also immensely practical. 8. Emotional resonance. The ultimate goal of using architecture to tell a story is to create emotional resonance. Your home should evoke the feelings that are most meaningful to you, whether it's a sense of peace, joy, inspiration, or nostalgia. This emotional connection is achieved through thoughtful design choices that align with your narrative. It's like crafting a poem where every word is chosen for its emotional impact. When done well, the architecture of your home can evoke these emotions every time you walk through the door, making it a place of comfort and inspiration.